Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use a QR code in Google Maps, so let's get right into it. So for example, let's say you are in a specific location and you want to either set up a QR code which tells that location. So for example, let's say Richmond, California, or Virginia, excuse me. So for example, let's say we take this address, for example, Historic St. John's Church, and now you can find that location and you can copy that location with a link. So just share it and you'll be able to copy the link, and then you'll be able to create a QR code out of it. There is no such functionality within Google Maps itself, so you're going to have to find a QR code creator online which is going to do that for you. And then when you create that QR code, anybody can scan it and then find this location through Google Maps. Now, there is no QR code scanner through Google Maps itself, so if you want to scan it, you are going to need to use another app. Usually on most modern phones, the QR code scanner is built into the camera, or if not, then it's usually built into the device in another app, so you can just search for it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you don't have that QR code scanner, however, on your phone, if it's an older phone or for any other reason, then you can download any QR code scanner you would like through the Google Play Store or the App Store. You'll be able to find it very, very easily. And if not, you can use another app. I know Viber, for example, has a QR code scanner built in. WhatsApp might also have it. I'm not very sure. I do know it can scan codes for linking devices, but it might also have a QR code scanner for other purposes. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.